Hi, this is Sai Kishore from Magneq Software. 30 days, 30 aptitude topics. Day 18. Today's topic ranking test. Rank means one position. Rank means position. For example, first rank means first position. Second rank means second position. Sai is second rank in a class of 5 members. So what is rank from last? So there are total 5 members. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Sai is second rank. This person, Sai. Sai is second rank in a class of 5 members. What is rank from last? Rank from last. From last to one, two, three, fourth. So fourth person from last. Fourth person from last. And we can simplify by using another method. Total there are 5 members given 2. So 5 minus 2, 3. There are remaining 3 persons plus 1 person means fourth person. Fourth person. Given there are total 5 members, given rank 2. So minus 2. Remaining 3 persons plus again Sai. So 3 plus 1, fourth. Next one. Kishore is third from right and fourth from left in a row. Then how many members in the row? Same line. Kishore is third from right. So this is the right position and left position. Kishore is third from right, third position. So remaining 2 persons and fourth from left. Same person, fourth from left means 3 persons. How many members? 3 plus 1 plus 2 means there are total 6 members. So answer 6. Next one. There are total 30 members in a class when A is 12th rank from first. Then what is rank from last? So there are total 30 members. Total 30 members. 12th from first. 12th from first. So remaining 30 minus 12, 18. And plus 1 for that person. 18 plus 1 means 19th rank from last. 19th rank from last. So answer 19. Rajesh ranks 7th from top, 26 from bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? So top to bottom, top and bottom. Seventh from top. Seventh from top means before 6 persons and 26th from bottom means 25 persons. 6 plus same person Rajesh 1 plus 25 means total 32. 32. So answer 32. Draw by facing north. A is 16th from the left end and C is 16th from right end. B, who is fourth to the right of A and fifth to the left of C in the row. Total how many boys in the row? So north, east, west, south. Facing north. Facing north. So this is the position. So right end, left end. Right end, left end. A is 16th from left end. A is 16th position. 16th position means before 15%, and C is 16th from the right end. C is 16th from right end means after 15%. After 15. B, who is fourth to the right of A. A right. A right person B fourth position. Fourth position means in between 3 persons and fifth to the left of C. C left fifth person. Fifth means before, I mean in between 4 persons. In between 4 persons. Total how many boys? So 15 plus 1 A 1 person, 3 plus B 1 person, 4 plus 1 plus 15. So 15, 15, 30, 7, 8, 9, 40. Total 40 members. How many boys? There are total 40 boys. Some rank ninth from top and 38th from bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? So from top to bottom, top and bottom. Sam rank ninth from top. Ninth from top means 8%. 38th from bottom. 38th bottom means 37%. 37 plus 1 plus 8. So total 46. So answer 46. A class of boys stand in a single row. One of the boys is 19th in order from both the ends. So from both the ends, 19th, 19th means one side 18 and another side also 18. 18 plus 1 plus 18, 37. So answer 37. Next one. If Ajay finds that he is 12th from right in a line of boys and 4th from the left, in how many boys should be added to the line such that there are 28 boys in the line? So Ajay finds that 12th from the right, right and left hand. 12th from right means 11%, and 4th from left, same person, 4th means 3%. 3 plus 1 plus 11, 15, 15. But what is the question? How many boys should be added to the line such that there are 28 boys? So 28 boys means 28 minus 15, 13. So answer 13. You have to add 13 boys. In a class of 16, where girls are twice that of boys, Kamal ranked 17th from top if there are 9 girls ahead of Kamal. How many boys after him in rank? So there are total 60 members. Girls twice that of boys. Girls twice, twice of boys. So girls 40 members, boys 20. 40 plus 20, 60. Next, from top, top and bottom, top and bottom. Kamal ranked 17th from top. Kamal. Kamal ranked 17th from top. 17th from top. And 9 girls ahead of Kamal. Before Kamal, 9 girls. Total before current 16%. In 16%, 9 girls means 16 minus 9, 7 boys. 7 boys. So, how many boys after him Kamal? After him in rank. So, there are total 20 boys. Total 20 boys. Minus 1 Kamal and minus 7 boys. 20 minus 8 means after Kamal 12 boys. After Kamal 12 boys. N ranks 5th in a class, S is 8th from the last. If T is 6th after N and just in the middle of N and S, then how many students are there in the class? So given information, N ranked 5th, N ranked 5th means before 4 persons, and S is 8th from last. S is 8th from last means after 7 persons. T is 6th after N. T is 6th after means in between 5 persons. In just middle of N and S means in another side also 5 persons. Another side also 5 persons. Then how many students are there in the class? 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 7. Total sum. So 5 plus 5 10, 7 plus 3 10, 4 24. So answer 24. For more updates, follow our YouTube channel. Comment your answer. Nitin ranks 18th in a class of 49 students. What is his rank from last?